Hi everyone, this is Kim Goyette, your meditation mother, coming to you live from Austin, Texas. Well, I just spent an incredible weekend with a beautiful group of women at the Women's Weekend Wellness Retreat here in Texas. And what I love most about holding space for this type of experience is that women elevate women. The high vibe energy in the room really elevates each individual. And so what I thought today's practice would be all about elevating your vibration. So let's get started.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
So we're going to be doing a few Kundalini type breath work within this practice. Kundalini is a type of yoga that focuses on the energetic body. So we have our physical body, but we also have our energetic body, and I'd love for you to experience your energetic body today. We'll be doing a breath called the breath of fire, and it's a version of the breath of fire. So it's 2 quick inhales and a big exhale out the mouth. So it's 2 quick inhales through the nose and a big exhale out the mouth. So we'll continue that, just gaining some energy, moving some stagnant energy within the body. And you might feel maybe a little bit of a buzzing sensation, possibly a little bit of lightheadedness. Keep going and see how you feel when we're done. Inner gaze is up at the third eye. We'll gently close the eyes. And we'll start with that breath. 2 quick inhales through the nose, big exhale through the mouth. Here we go. Big inhale through the nose. Hold, inner gaze up at the third eye. Big exhale through the mouth. And just pause for a moment, noticing any sensations within the body and the mind. And gently opening the eyes. If you felt any tingling, that's your energetic body waking up. Let's continue on by focusing on some heart openers, which is very elevating. So we'll come to laying on the belly. You can lengthen your legs all the way back behind you. Elbows are forward of the shoulders. Separate your feet out to the edges of your mat nice and wide. You can even roll the heels out to give your low back a little bit of space. Feel like your elbows are dragging back, lengthen the belly. There's my puppy, Jimmy Kibble. Hi, buddy. And open up the chest, press into the arms, and then relax the shoulders. So you're gonna actually sink into the shoulders. Relax the head forward, tuck the chin. Open up the back of the neck. You can shake your head out from right to left a little bit. And then come back to center, lifting the face. We're gonna do another Kundalini breath. It's a simple inhale through the nose with a big exhale through the mouth. But this time we're gonna allow the tongue to fall forward. So it's almost like a lion. So it's a big inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth with that tongue. So we'll face forward, center our bodies. Close the eyes, inner gaze up at the third eye. Deep inhale through the nose. Exhale, mouth, wide tongue. Continue on. One more deep inhale through the nose. Inner gaze up at the third eye. Hold. Hold. Big breath out the mouth. Slowly come to laying on the hands. Stack the hands one on top of the other. Rest your forehead and just take a moment noticing how your body feels. Maybe tuning in to the rhythm of your heart, any sensation on the skin and the muscles and the bones. Let's bring the hands underneath the shoulders. We're going to push back through hands and knees, and for a moment we'll push back to child's pose. Bringing the knees to touch, you can reach your arms overhead. Rest your forehead on a mat or a pillow or a blanket. Arms are long, and just take a few breaths into the back body. Relaxing the chest towards the thighs. And then we'll walk the hands all the way in and come to seated towards the middle of the mat. So we'll scoot our bodies up, bend the knees, hold on to the shins and knees for a moment, sit up nice and tall, lengthen from the sits bones all the way through the crown of the head, raise the chest. And then we're going to reach back behind us, planting the fingertips towards the body. Bring your hands and elbows close to each other by bending the elbows and then drawing the elbows in. And then from here, push into the arms, lift with the chest, roll the shoulders open. You can have your chin gently tucked, head is in a neutral place, or you can lift your chin a little bit to open up the throat. And we're going to do that same big breath. Deep inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. You can do with or without tongue, totally your choice. Let's take a nice inhale, inner gaze up at the third eye, big breath out. Continue. One more inhale here. Hold, hold, deep exhale through the mouth. Come to seated for a moment, cross-legged if comfortable, resting your hands and arms in the lap. And again, tuning into sensations in the body and the mind. And just noticing what it feels like to hyper infuse your body and your mind with oxygen. And we'll gently open the eyes, lengthen the legs all the way out in front of you. And you can keep the knees slightly bent. You can even separate your feet from right to left a little bit. We're gonna fold forward, grab onto the backs of the thighs, or plant your hands on the floor. Tuck the chin and round in. Wherever that is for you, plant the hands on something. And take a few breaths into the back body. Inhale here. And exhale. One more time, inhale. And exhale. Slowly make your way all the way up. I'm gonna face forward. You can stay right where you are if you'd like. Cross your legs if it feels comfortable, or legs extended. We're gonna bring the hands to the shoulders this time. One last Kundalini breath to wake up every cell of your being. So we'll inhale to the left, exhale out the mouth to the right. Inhale through the nose, exhale, continue. to slow things down. Come back to center, plant the hands on the legs. Deep inhale through the nose. Exhale last time through the mouth. And just pause a moment. Noticing any sensations in the body, in the mind. And gently open the eyes. And we'll pause for a moment and just reflect on how we feel, maybe from the beginning of the class until now. When we hyper infuse oxygen into our body, increasing that breath and really pumping through that stagnant energy that's within us, we infuse oxygen, and where there's oxygen, there is no ailment. So this is a very healthy practice for you, whether you want to enliven your spirit, enliven your physical body, or just your mind. Thanks so much for joining me here today. I'm Kim Goyette, your Meditation Mother. If you like this video and you want to be the first to receive weekly videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Yoga with Meditation Mutha. See you next time.